I am now offering online inexpensive cooking lessons that are friendly and relaxed whilst being useful and student driven. One lesson I might cook a French or Italian dish. Another day it might be a Japanese, Korean or Indian dish. I end my lessons asking students what they would like to learn to make, and the suggestions they put forward is what inspires me to create the recipes. My current online kitchen setup consists of 4 cameras, one over the cutting board area, one that covers my ingredients table, an Insta 360 link on a gantry over the stove top which can zoom in on any of the 4 burners, plus a camera built into my laptop for FaceTime with the students. The lessons are 2 hours long, and after class students are sent copies of the recipes and given access to the chat group so they can ask follow-up questions. So why not sign up and improve your confidence and cooking skills today?